have to talk a little bit about the different neurotransmitters that are produced in the nervous system. So scientists have identified over 200 different types of neurotransmitters. Brookdale wants you to be responsible for knowing 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of these neurotransmitters one at a time. So the question really becomes, how do these different neurotransmitters regulate behavior? And the answer is there seems to be a relationship between the synaptic transmission of these neurotransmitters and the behavior. So let's talk about each one. First one is acetylcholine. So every move that you make, whether it's walking or running or typing or any other type of motion, depends on the release of acetylcholine. It's the only neurotransmitter that seems to be linked between motor neurons and voluntary muscles. So if acetylcholine systems got damaged, one of the things that would happen is you wouldn't be able to move. Then we go to serotonin. Serotonin seems to play a role in the regulation of sleep and wakefulness, and it seems to be involved in the neural pathways that have to do with mood. That's why some of the newer generation antidepressants target serotonin and increase levels of serotonin at the synapses. Then we go to dopamine. Dopamine seems to play a role in the effect of certain drugs like cocaine and other stimulants. It basically, the drug cocaine, interferes with the process of reuptake at these dopamine synapses, which then gives you that feeling of everything sort of moving faster or going fast. Dopamine is also a neurotransmitter that's been implicated in a mental illness called schizophrenia. Then we have norepinephrine. Norepinephrine also seems to play a role in depression. It seems that norepinephrine, low levels of norepinephrine at the synapses, can have an effect on mood and can lead to feelings of depression. And then the last one that you need to know is a neurotransmitter called GABA. And GABA is one of the strongest inhibitory neurotransmitters. And what I mean by that is GABA production or increased levels in GABA slow things down in the nervous system. So alcohol is a drug that increases GABA production. That's why alcohol is considered a depressant. It doesn't make you depressed, but it slows everything down in the nervous system.